Let's know about getDynamiq.ai. It's a AI tool where you can use to make a schematic diagram. It means a connectivity diagram in the various platform like design, like website schematic design, and lots of uh, network where you can design through this AI tool. You can see here multiple product, agent, workflow, knowledge, deployment, observability, all platform, all product you can see here and you can check here. And after that you can see here you can start free, how to extract ROI. You can see that when you create account and go for the login, you can see like this dashboard and you can use this platform. So now you have got it how to use getDynamiq.ai.